Ciao guys, when we talk about kit manufacturers, one name always comes up: Building Boats. Building Boats was founded in 1958 by Einar Billing, a former RAF pilot during World War II. The story of Einar Billing is very interesting, so you can check it out in Building Boats' website. They were among the first ones to bring wooden kit model ships to hobbyists worldwide. The kit I have on the table today, let me take it, is the Colin Archer RS1. You can find it with the number 606 in their catalog, it's a smaller version. The original RS1 was launched in 1893 as the first purpose-built rescue cutter for the Norwegian Society for Sea Rescue, designed by the naval architect Colin Archer. In 1961, the RS1 Colin Archer was found in America in a terrible condition after so many years in private hands. She was then brought to Norway and became a scout's boat for some years, but was finally acquired in 1972 by the Norwegian Maritime Museum. And this is great because now we have a lot of images and documentation about it. So let's get to the kit then. So we have accessories, cloth for the sails, the instruction manual, some plastic pieces, the clamps. I guess this will be the plank for the hull. This is for the second layer, and other dowels for, I guess, the masts. There you go. This seems already been cutted. And then we got the wood for the keel, the bulkheads, and so on and so forth. So you can already see that bulkheads here have been cut in half. So the construction will be not the usual you are used to, but will be done in two different half parts. Okay, let's try to open this and we will get all the materials in detail. So first of all, we've got the MDF construction base and two stand supports, measuring 4 and 6.5 millimeters. Pieces 11A and 11B, which are the two halves of the decks, the rails and the hatches. Zero A and 0B with the keels and other smaller pieces that will form the cockpit. Sheet 3095 with half bulkheads. Inside the documentation bag you will also find a correction sheet, which I appreciated a lot. Probably they corrected previous versions of this kit. So this was the Colin Archer RS1 article number 606 by Building Boats. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss my next issues on this boat. Thanks to all my subscribers and in particular to the cabin boys of the crew. Cheers!